Everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter similarity. The lessons we're going to cover today are similar triangles and indirect measurement, parameters of similar figures, similarity rules for triangles, similar triangles and similarity transformations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson that is similar triangles and indirect measurement. Let's just start with the test questions. Find T. So you have to find a side length of T. The triangles are similar. So the triangles are like this. That is K, J, and you have to find D, and here you have 3. That is 6 meter, 10 meter, and L, N, M. So basically the triangles are similar triangles. So that is 3 divided by 6 equals T divided by 10. So T equals 3 times 10 over 6. That is T equals 30 divided by 6. That is T equals 5. That is T equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find n. So just make a proportion between their similar sides. That is 6 divided by n equals 10 divided by 5. 10 is the length of the greater triangle. LI is 10, but HI is 5. So that is 10 divided by 5. So 6 over n equals 2 divided by 1. So that is n equals 6 divided by 2. N equals 3. The correct option is n equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. In the diagram below, triangle MLK is similar to triangle JIK. Find R. You have to find the side length R. So just make a proportion between their similar sides, that is 5 divided by 10 equals R divided by 6. That is 1 over 2 equals R over 6. So 2 times R equals 6, R equals 3. The correct option is R equals 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find B. That is 4 divided by 8 equals 3 divided by 4V equals 3 times 8. 4V equals 24. Divide by 4. So V equals 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is V equals 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Hopefully, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. This lesson is parameters of similar figures. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. So you have to make a proportion between their similar sides first, then you have to equate them with their parameter. That is 8 over 3 equals 40 divided by P1. To solve it for the P1, that is P1 equals 40 times 3 divided by 3 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40, so 5 times 3 is 15. The correct option is 15. Let's just start with the test questions. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. What is the parameter of the smaller triangle? So let's just make a proportion between the similar sides, that is 2 over 5, and then equate it with the parameters P1 divided by 30. So P1 equals 30 times 2 over 5. So which is the correct option? That is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. What is the parameter of the large pentagon? That is 2 over 1. That equals P2 divided by 5. So P2 equals 2 times 5. So P2 equals 10. The correct option is option number 1. That is 10. That is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. What is the parameter of the smaller square? So just make a proportion between the corresponding sides, that is 9 divided by 5 equals 36 divided by P1. So P1 equals 36 times 5 over 9. So the correct option is that is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. The figures below are similar. The labeled sides are corresponding. What is the parameter of the larger square? That is 4 divided by 3 equals P2 divided by P1. 2 equals 12 times 4 over 3, so which is the correct option? That is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself for today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is similarity rules for triangles. Are these triangles similar? Yes, they are similar. You have to see if the ratio between the similar sides is same, then that they are similar. The side RS is similar to GF. RS is 126 and GF is 110. The ratio is 9 over 10. So the ratio between all the similar sides must be same. If that is same, then that means that is the. Let's just start with the test questions. These triangles similar. Okay, so the side TU is similar to RP. TU is similar to RP, so let's just form a proportion 12 divided by 15. That is 3 by 5. Okay, then TU is similar to RQ. That is 15 divided by 17. And then PQ is similar to SU. PQ is 22. So the ratio is not same, so that means they are not the similar. The correct option is no, they are not similar. Are these triangles similar? Yes, they are similar. Are these triangles similar? Let's just make the proportion. ST is similar to IJ, that is 11 over 9. SR is similar to JK, that is 13 over 13. No, they are not similar. The correct option is no. Option number 2 is the correct option. Are these triangles similar? No, they are not similar. Are these triangles similar? No, they are not similar. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself every day. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is similar triangles and similarity transformations. Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. Leave this one. Similarity of circles. You can transform U to U dash by translating it and then performing a dilation centered at U dash. So you have to find a translation rule and scale factor. Let's just start with the test questions. You can transform circle A to A dash by translating it and then performing a dilation centered at A dash. Find translation rule and scale factor of the dilation. So just look at the center of the circle A. A is the center of the circle. A is at -3 and -5. And the center of the circle A dash is 4 and 4, right? That is x plus 7 and y plus 9, right? So you have to find the scale factor. The scale factor is 3. Option number, but both the options are exactly same. X plus 7, x, y plus 9, and 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Can transform P to dash by translating it and then performing a dilation C dash. Find a translation with scale factor of the dilation. The center of the circle P is the center of circle P is -2 and -8. And the circle center of the P dash is 2 and -1, right? So the scale factor is x plus 4 and y plus 7. And the scale factor is 3. So option number 1 is the correct option. X plus 4, y plus 7, and 3. You can transform G to D dash by translating it and then performing a dilation centered at G dash. Find a translation rule in the scale factor of the dilation. G has the center at -5 and G dash has the center at 6 and 4. So that is x plus 11 and y plus 4, and the scale factor is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. You can transform K to K dash by translating and then performing a dilation centered at K dash. Find the translation rule and the scale factor of the dilation. So the center of the K is that is -8 and -4, and K dash has the center at 0 and 6. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is x plus 8 and y plus 10. You can you can transform D to D dash by translating it and then performing the directions under the D dash. Find a translation rule. The correct option is the center of the circle D is -3 and -7, and D dash is 4 and -1. So the correct option is option number 2, that is x plus 7 and y plus 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself maybe today. So we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is the chapter we were working on is similarity. The lessons we have covered today are similar triangles and indirect measurement, perimeters or similar figures, similarity rules for triangles, and similarity of circles. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil. Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for since we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your question confusions if you have any. Any questions you can ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.